Get ready, Mustang fans, because what you're about to see isn't just another special edition. It's the most powerful, most extreme Mustang RTR ever built. Limited to just 50 units in the US for 2026, this is the Mustang RTR Spec 5, the ultimate expression of RTR's racing DNA, born from the vision of drift champion Vaughn Gittin Jr. and engineered to deliver supercar-level thrills wrapped in unmistakable Mustang muscle. Before diving into numbers and features, let's understand what the Spec 5 stands for. RTR Vehicles has spent over 15 years redefining Mustang culture, pushing boundaries in design, engineering, and performance. The Spec 5 isn't about chasing competitors or following trends. It's about unleashing everything RTR has learned and giving enthusiasts a road-ready machine that looks and drives like nothing else on the market. This car is not just a Mustang with aftermarket parts. It's a factory-backed build, designed from the ground up to blend track-capable performance, drift-inspired handling, and daily usability, a true apex predator of modern muscle cars. Now, let's talk power, because that's where the Spec 5 makes jaws drop. Under the hood is Ford's legendary 5.0-liter Coyote V8, but RTR has taken it to the next level with a 3.0-liter Whipple Stage 2 supercharger system. The result? A staggering 870-plus horsepower and 660 pound-feet of torque. To keep that kind of output cool and consistent, RTR fitted a heavy-duty race intercooler, the same technology proven in professional motorsport environments. And to make sure this Mustang sounds as aggressive as it looks, it's equipped with an RTR by Borla active catback exhaust system, hand-tuned by Vaughn Gittin Jr. himself. It's adjustable, so you can choose between neighborhood-friendly cruising and all-out thunder on the track. Power is sent to the rear wheels through either a 6-speed manual transmission, for purists who demand full control, or a 10-speed automatic for lightning-quick shifts. Either way, the Spec 5 delivers relentless acceleration, blistering straight-line speed, and the kind of power curve that makes you feel like you're wrestling with a thoroughbred racehorse. One glance at the Spec 5 and you'll know this isn't your average Mustang. RTR has developed a fully integrated wide-body system, not just bolted on fender flares. Every line flows naturally with the Mustang shape, enhancing both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The front fenders, bumper extensions, rocker panels, and rear quarters are crafted from advanced composite materials, making them lightweight yet durable. Dented wheel arches and quarter panels improve cooling for brakes and tires, while wake tower assemblies at the front and rear manage airflow for stability at high speeds. Carbon fiber details, including the front splitter, rocker splitters, and rear quarter splitters, give the car a motorsport-inspired edge while keeping weight in check. Even the fuel door is bespoke. It features a vertical, over-center billet arm mechanism, compatible with all 50 state nozzles while maintaining the factory push-to-open convenience. Small touches like this show how detail-oriented RTR's engineering really is. And of course, it wouldn't be an RTR without the signature Speed Block graphics package, hood vents, and a sharp deck-lid spoiler, all combining to give the Spec 5 an unmistakable identity. Performance cars live or die by their grip, and the Spec 5 is no exception. It rides on RTR Aero 5 Evo forged aluminum wheels, paired with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, 305s up front and massive 315s in the rear. That means serious contact with the road, whether you're cornering hard or launching down a drag strip. Braking comes courtesy of Brembo, with 6-piston calipers up front, 4-piston in the rear, and upgraded 2-piece rotors that can handle track abuse lap after lap. Underneath, RTR's tactical performance adjustable coilovers and adjustable sway bars provide the balance between aggressive handling and daily drive comfort. The system comes pre-tuned by RTR engineers, but if you're the kind of enthusiast who likes to tweak settings, it's fully adjustable to your liking. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed to keep you connected to the road. RTR equips the Spec 5 with Recaro Sport seats, wrapped in premium leather and suede, featuring cool gray bolsters, ribbed inserts, and suede support panels. Every car is fitted with a serialized dash plaque, personally signed by Vaughn Gittin Jr., making each of the 50 builds truly unique. You'll also find RTR-branded floor mats, a custom performance shift knob, and for those who want a more track-oriented setup, optional quick-fit pro harnesses for both driver and passenger. And here's a detail enthusiasts will love. The Spec 5 comes with the electronic drift brake, co-developed by RTR and Ford, giving you precision control over rear-wheel lockup, a first in production Mustangs. RTR knows that owners of a car this exclusive want personalization. The Spec 5 offers a wide palette of standard colors including avalanche gray, grabber blue, gulf orange, and hyper lime. For those seeking something even more special, RTR provides premium paints at extra cost, or even paint to sample for full individuality. Whether you want to stand out with bright lime or go stealth mode with matte gray, the Spec 5 can reflect your style. All this performance and craftsmanship comes at a price. The 2026 Mustang RTR Spec 5 starts at $159,999. That price includes the base Mustang GT 401A with the performance package. Production is limited to just 50 units per year in the US, which guarantees rarity and collectability. Each car is backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, giving peace of mind to owners who will actually push this car to its limits. The 2026 Mustang RTR Spec 5 is more than just a limited edition muscle car. It's a statement. A celebration of what modern Mustangs can achieve when motorsport innovation meets road-going practicality. With nearly 900 horsepower, a meticulously engineered wide-body, track-ready suspension, and interior details that connect you directly to RTR's racing heritage, this car isn't just about driving, it's about experiencing the absolute edge of Mustang culture. At $160,000, it's not for everyone. But for the lucky 50 owners, the Spec 5 will be more than just a car. It will be a piece of automotive history, one that roars as loud as it looks, and drives even harder than it promises. This is the 2026 Mustang RTR Spec 5. The most capable Mustang RTR ever built. Limited, powerful, and unforgettable. Would you drive one if you had the chance? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more high-octane reviews.